Hey tech fans! Trump's shaking up the smartphone world with Trump Mobile, a new device and a wireless service dropping this September. Is this a game changer or a bold gamble? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the wildest tech news. Let's dive into the surprising launch. The Trump Organization, known for real estate and hotels, just announced Trump Mobile, a $499 smartphone and a $47.45 per month wireless plan packed with perks. Unveiled by Donald Trump Jr. at Trump Tower, this marks a huge pivot for the Trump brand into tech. With a live website and big promises, what's the deal? Keep watching. Trump Mobile smartphone hits the market in September for $499 with US-based manufacturing and call centers. The $47.45 per month plan includes roadside assistance, telemedicine, and international texting. Pretty unique for a mobile service. The Trump Mobile website is live, showing off the device and the plan details. Could this compete with giants like Verizon or AT&T? This launch is a big shift for the Trump family business. Traditionally focused on real estate, they're now diving into digital with Trump Mobile. DTTM Operations has filed trademarks for Trump and T1 to cover phones, accessories, and wireless services. Donald Trump Jr. says it's about expanding the Trump brand into tech. Bold move. What's next? Trump laptops? In a crowded smartphone market, Trump Mobile's banking on brand loyalty and unique perks to stand out. Local manufacturing and call centers could appeal to some, but can it challenge Apple or Samsung? This pivot shows the Trump Organization's ambition to diversify, but it's a risky play. Are you curious about Trump Mobile's chances? Trump Mobile launches in September, and the $499 phone and $47 plan are already stirring buzz. Whether you're intrigued or skeptical, this is one to watch. Will you check out the Trump Mobile website for more details? Drop your take on this unexpected tech move below. That's the scoop on Trump Mobile's big launch. Are you hyped for a Trump-branded phone, or is this too wild for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.